i35equipment.com. We're in the CX330. Going to show you the controls and that they're working good and it's operating tightly the way it should. Go ahead and hit it there. All right, he's gonna hop out and then we'll take a look at all the plastic, which is not too uncommon for these machines when they've been left out in the sunlight, or if they had hoses replaced, or sometimes you'll see these plastic get busted. The safety is down, so it's not going to operate, but I just want to show you it feels good, feels like it should, nothing weird, like he just showed you. It's operating appropriately. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope it was beneficial to you. Feel free to give us a call with any questions. 405-833-6437. Hope you have a great day.